I'm Agata. I'm from Poland. I came here to Pakistan thanks to my dear friend Hafiz, aka Tiger, who was really recommending me to come to Pakistan to see the natural beauty as we can showcase here. So I made my way to Fairy Meadows all the way from Karachi where I landed, and I really wanted to finally meet with Hafiz in person. And I was very lucky that that day he was on duty because first step that tourists need to take when coming to Fairy Meadows is visiting police station and registering, and yes, getting escort assigned. And I was so lucky that Hafiz also was there when I was there, and now we are together here. He's not just a escortee, he's just wonderful friend who only happens to carry a gun and be very, very handy with everything around. Like 5 minutes ago, he just, thanks to him, I crossed the waterfall because the water was very high, and he just put the rocks so that I could walk on them and not fall to the to the water. I cannot recommend coming here enough. Food is delicious. It's so authentic. The dal, the chai with milk, it tastes different than in other parts of Pakistan. The local bread is wonderful. People are so accommodating, so hospitable, so authentic. They, even if they can't speak English with you, they want to invite you to their houses and just show you Pakistani hospitality. Everybody is very respectful. Everybody is smiling at you because they like foreigners as well. So again, I can't recommend coming here enough. Just you have to come here. You have to come to Fairy Meadows and see this beauty.